Well, the stock market has started out very strong this year, but inflation remains persistent. There are still rumors of recession. There are elections upcoming. The Fed is still wrestling with interest rates. We still have conflict in the Middle East and elsewhere across the globe. And now we have a potential ban on TikTok. So, what's an investor to do? Hi, I'm Jamie French with Advent Partners. And while I won't be able to address all of those items today in this brief update, I do want to touch on a couple of things that we're paying attention to. As I mentioned, the stock market has started out very strong this year, and valuations in the market are getting fairly high relative to their long-term historical averages. And so that's of some concern. Thus far, that has been supported by strong corporate earnings, as well as increasing demand and the rapid development in the area of artificial intelligence. So it's going to be important going forward to see strong corporate earnings to continue to support the high share prices that we're seeing, particularly in the area of growth stocks. And it remains to be seen how artificial intelligence is going to impact the economy and the markets over the next several months and years. The other news this past week was the release of the February inflation data. And the reports showed that February inflation was higher than anticipated, similar to January, but not so much that it caused a whole lot of disruption in the markets. Shelter costs continue to be a driver of that persistently high inflation, and that obviously impacts the housing market as well. So it's widely expected that the Fed will hold rates steady at their next meeting. And if they are going to reduce rates, as they've hinted at this year, it's likely to be later in the year, if at all. So in uncertain times like this, it can be tempting to stuff our money under the mattress or to make decisions that in the short term help us feel more secure, but may be detrimental to us in the long term. So our encouragement is to continue to stick to a disciplined strategy, make adjustments as needed, and certainly reach out to us if we can help you do that in a wise fashion. Thanks, and have a great week.